Hi, I'm Bill Greenblatt, Vice President of Quest International. As a third-party post-sales service provider, we've worked with hundreds of medical device manufacturers in providing depot repair and field services. Oftentimes, there are aspects of the product design stage that doesn't take into account consideration of the overall product life cycle and the need to take into account three areas. 1, software compliance, 2, hardware design, and 3, service support. For today's discussion, we'll focus on service support and why this aspect of the product lifecycle should be part of the design phase of all products. So many of our OEM partners say part availability isn't an issue, but time and time again, we've seen instances where parts become obsolete and unavailable, impacting the repair process. Even when parts are still available, many times it's a battle to see if parts will be used for current manufacturing production or for servicing of the devices. And when parts are no longer available, what will you do? As dumpster diving is not a good option. When parts are no longer available, how does this impact your service contracts that are in place? As that may have a huge financial and legal impact as well. When parts are no longer available, the impact of needing to implement an early end of life, end of service is huge. So please remember, the cost to support far outweighs the cost to design and manufacture. I hope this has provided some insight into one of the many considerations that should be taken into account during the design phase of the product. Thank you.